Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Genshin Impact game, and you're going to see something super cool. So let me just give it a minute here for the game to load. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and press start, tap to begin. Alright, let's just give it a second for the game to finish. This game actually takes quite a while to load, but it's not that long, but it's just a little bit. So let me just give it a second here. And alright, okay, it's loading right now. Just going to give it a minute. Okay, and guys, as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and click on like my little character icon. And as you can see, let me just give it a second for that to load. As you can see, my Primogems are going all the way at the top. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and get a ton of Primogems in this game, guys, completely for free. So let me just give it a minute here for them to max out. As you can see, alright, we are super rich. So if you want to go ahead and do this for yourself, what you need to do is follow along with my guide. So if you're using an iPhone, you need to open up settings, and once you're in there, there's a few things you have to do. So the first thing you need to do is go down to the battery section and make sure that low power mode is off. You'll know this is on because your battery percentage will turn yellow, so just make sure low power mode is off. And once you've done that, you just have to go up to the general section, find this option called background app refresh, and make sure that this is turned on. You can have it on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. It doesn't matter, just make sure that it is turned on. So once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go down to the App Store section, and there's this important option that you need to make sure is enabled. This is called automatic download. So this should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you turn it on. So once you've done all that, guys, all you What I'm going to do now is reopen my Genshin Impact game and see if I got the Primogems into my account. So let me just give it a minute here for the game to load, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and press start game. Alright, it's loading up right now. I'm just going to give it a second to finish. Okay, it's loading. Alright, so it's almost done. It takes a little bit, as I said, guys, but it's definitely worth it. So let's just give it a second. Let's see if we got those Primogems into our account. I'm just going to go ahead and click on like the character, the little icon in the corner. Alright, let's see. And the moment of truth, guys. As you can see, my Primogems are once again going all the way to the top. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out about this insane method to go ahead and get free Primogems in this amazing game, guys. I can't even tell you how crazy this is. I'm the richest player in the game, guys. So yeah, share this with your friends. This is super cool. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.